Good morning, guys. This is Prashant, and today I'm going to give you a quick demo on how we utilize this tool called Selenium for doing automated testing. Selenium is an open source tool. It's a freeware used for automated web app testing by mimicking actual user actions. These tests could be run individually or in a pre-selected group. The tests could be run manually or scheduled to run automatically through a scheduler. They could be run sequentially or parallelly. So without further ado, let me start the show. All right, I started the test. On the bottom right, you'll see that two browser sessions have opened. I'm running two parallel threads just to save time to run test on Giza and Rentalog with CRV. So the tests are exactly what manual testing does. Make sure that the features and we do essentially the screen scraping on web applications on various pages to make sure that all the feature sets on a particular page for positive and negative validations are done, and the report is accumulated at the end. So so you see that Firefox browser has opened because it's using CRV to test, and CRV is customer facing, and so we're doing cross-browser testing because our customers may choose to use different kinds of browsers. While the test is running, let me take a look if we have anything populated in our report. So this is where our HTML report will be populated with details. Like on the top left, there's this section which tells you which date it was run on, start time, end time, which environment, number of test cases, passes and fails, and then it will have a table with details beneath. It's like we are still running and we haven't got the reports yet. Let me show you a full-scale report. So this is our build and deploy tool called Jenkins. So let me take you to a report that was run a few days back. So as you see, there are many more tests here. Giza, Luxor, Rentalog, CRV, a lot of Keystone at the bottom. There were 2 failures among the 42 tests. Let's take a look at the failed test on Keystone here. See that one of the important ingredients of the report is the URL with the deal ID. And on the right hand side, you have a screenshot which gives you the evidence on what happened. Something's not right. Pop-up came up, so that's why it failed. Take a look at some of the advantages of using automated testing by using tools such as the Selenium. Manual testing is definitely much more time-consuming and costlier as compared to manual testing. Scripts are relentless, they're tireless, they're repeatable, you can run them a number of times, and they're pretty unforgiving, which means they eliminate human errors. They're pretty swift, and with a number of parallel threads, you can reduce the execution time by, you can make them much more faster. It's up to you. And scripts are pretty reliable, which means they execute the full quota of validations that they're assigned to. The last point here is to get the exact problems much earlier in the SDLC, software development lifecycle, thereby reducing the cost of fixing them. So that's the end of it, guys. I'll take any questions if you have any.